Metrolabs.
In pharmaceutical manufacturing, every drop, every gram, and every result matters. But beyond the chemistry and analysis, there's one foundation that supports it all: the laboratory itself. A lab designed for compliance doesn't just look clean, it helps you earn and maintain critical approvals like GMP, WHO, GMP, ISO, and NABL accreditation. At Metrolabs, we design laboratory furniture systems that not only perform, they protect your license to operate. Why furniture is the first step to approval? Before a single experiment begins, your lab layout, materials, and finishes determine audit readiness. Regulators from CDSCO, State Drug Control, or WHO GMP teams first inspect your physical environment. They look for corrosion-free surfaces, cleanable joints, proper segregation, airflow zones, and GMP documentation. With Metrolabs modular steel furniture, you start with the right foundation, audit ready from day one. Material of construction, built for audit ready quality. The strength of your lab begins with its material. Metrolabs uses GI steel structures, chemically pre-treated and powder-coated to pharmaceutical grade standards. Worktops are selected to match each process. Granite tops, durable and easy to clean for wet chemistry zones. Epoxy resin, chemical resistant, seamless for analytical areas. Phenolic resin, excellent solvent resistance for QC testing. Stainless steel SS 304, mandatory in microbiology and sterile rooms. Each top meets GMP Annex 1 and Schedule M hygiene requirements. Modular steel system. Future-ready compliance regulations evolve. Your furniture should too. Fixed wooden benches limit flexibility, trap contaminants, and fail long-term hygiene audits. Modular steel furniture, however, allows reconfiguration for layout upgrades, process changes, and future expansions, without breaking walls or redoing civil work. That means faster setup for new licenses, new departments, and new instruments. The complete pharma furniture ecosystem. A compliant pharmaceutical lab requires a complete ecosystem. Metrolabs manufactures every critical component under one roof. Instrument tables, anti-vibration, level balanced, ideal for HPLC, G, C, UV balances. Inspection tables, white light surfaces for visual inspection and QA. Wall tables and island benches with integrated utilities and reagent shelves. Fume hoods, ducted, perchloric, or scrubber type, tested for airflow velocity and containment. Biosafety cabinets, Class 2, A2/B2. HEPA filtered for microbial safety. Laminar airflow workstations for aseptic dispensing or microbiological handling. Anti-vibration tables with isolation dampers for analytical precision. Cupboards and storage racks, acid-resistant and labeled for segregation. Reagent shelves and pegboards, organized, ergonomic, easy to sanitize. Every unit is designed to meet the requirements of GMP, GLP, NABL, and FDA inspections. How design impacts certifications and licenses. Well-designed lab furniture directly supports your compliance journey. Here's how. Drug manufacturing license, state FDA/CDSCO. Requires hygienic, corrosion-free lab setup and proper segregation, all enabled by modular steel construction. GMP and WHO GMP certification are seamless, cleanable joints, radius corners, and SS accessories align with Schedule M and WHO TRS guidelines. ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, and NABL accreditation, consistent workstation alignment, vibration-free zones, and calibration-ready tables simplify audits and documentation. US FDA compliance, With stainless and epoxy worktops, cleanable understructures, and airflow-compatible layouts, your lab passes FDA hygiene and 21 CFR inspection standards. For over 20 years, Metrolabs has been a trusted partner to India's leading pharmaceutical and biotech research centers. Our engineers coordinate with your QA, validation, and facility teams to design layout-compliant workspaces that align with HVAC zones, LAF, pressure gradients, and CIP/SIP protocols. Every product is tested for alignment, surface hardness, load capacity, and finish uniformity before dispatch. We don't just install furniture, we deliver confidence. We sincerely thank our valuable customers for choosing Metrolabs as their laboratory furniture partner. When compliance is your priority, your lab furniture must lead the way. Build your next pharmaceutical laboratory with confidence. Choose Metrolabs, where design meets certification.